What's good, everybody? I am here at work. I don't know how this is gonna go. I do have people around me, but I just wanted to see what I could get out for us. I got the Lenormand cards here. I'm gonna get a few energies out and see what's going on for us at this time, what we may need to be aware of. Let me know how you like this quick little reading that we do here. Like, subscribe, hit the bell, and let me know down in the comments. How's everybody doing out there on this Sunday? Ooh, we got the Temple card coming out here today. 38 coming to an 11. We've also got the Owls coming out here today. You may be learning about something that you were not previously aware of. What else is coming out? We'll look at these all together and see what they may be saying for us. I think that's the gate, actually, or bridge. So there's a bridge, there's owls. And the last one is the Scythe. What are we cutting away? We're burning a bridge. It sounds like something that's been a little confusing, perhaps, if you will, with that owl energy. Maybe something is going to be coming out. Yeah, we got the moon energy here with something hidden for sure. So the 38 with the bridge. Let's take a look at this real quick. Yeah, so near or far, wide or narrow, steep or straight are some of my traits. But in whatever form, I am your connection in places, people, or points in time. I can span the spaces and separate you. I can shorten the distance that can bring you together. So it looks to me with the Scythe like somebody is definitely putting an end to something. Maybe they're putting an end to no communication. Maybe somebody wants to come forward and, or I could see that somebody wants to cut the cord because, if this is you and this is somebody coming forth that you haven't heard from in a while, you may be wondering what this is all about. A phone call, a text, or a date. That is how I communicate. So somebody is definitely going to be 2, 3, 4. I just saw on the timer trying to reach out. I am a meeting or interview. I like to negotiate. I can be your sibling, lover, or mate. Couples is what I indicate. So definitely somebody has been watching you is what it looks like, spying on you, perhaps in the nighttime. Maybe this is when they're able to do more of that, or maybe this is when you're going to get that message is at night or tonight, perhaps. Then we have the Scythe, which says, to everything there is a season and a time to every purpose under the sun. And this comes from Ecclesiastes 3, 1 through 8. So that may resonate with you as far as that. Be careful. I am swift and sharp. I cut through with precision, with a sharp and clear vision. I am an accident, a deep cut, a break, or sometimes a difficult decision that needs to be made. So definitely I feel like somebody's going to try to, build that bridge again, or make an attempt to contact you 3, 4, 5. But I feel like it may be a difficult decision, but that overall, you don't want to deal with things that are confusing is what this is saying. I can bring good harvest or danger. Look at what I am cutting nearby. It just might be your wage, but no, this is definitely cutting this bridge to this person who wants to perhaps try to cross that bridge again, try to come communicate with you is really what I'm seeing here today. So let me know how this is resonating with you for sure. I'm going to get just a couple of cards out from my Maji Got the Tea message cards just to see what are some further messages that may be helpful for us. Let me know how you're liking this short reading. This is the Lenormand cards, the Gilded Reverie that I'm using 444 for the main message. If any of these numbers I'm calling out resonate with you, definitely check those out and see what they mean for you. Just Google them. What messages do we have? Abundance. Yeah, somebody may see that you have a lot of abundance coming your way. So that is maybe why they're trying to come back at this time, is what I'm hearing. Spend time alone, Hermit. So this is definitely a time to go ahead and spend that time with yourself, not allow others in your space at this time, especially if you are coming into a lot of abundance and deja vu. You've been having any of that lately, or this just seems like the same old thing coming back around. It probably is, so be aware of that. And Lemurian blood on the bottom. So this may resonate with you, all right, that you may feel that you are from this heritage or resonate with this in some way. Natural Reiki powers. Yeah, you're a natural healer. You heal this person essentially with your presence, with your connection with them. 555. But this is a time to cut things out. You know, this person has taken from you long enough is what I'm seeing. Again, with this energy of the owls in the background, I do feel like this person is devising a plan to try to build that bridge and come back over. But I feel that you are burning that bridge. You're cutting it away. It's a hard decision perhaps, but I feel like you know what you need to do. All right, guys, let me know how this resonated, and I will see you soon for another reading. Bye for now.